Hello and welcome to Neulingen, which is to the north of Pforzheim. I'm at this free motorhome here, and I'm going to start off by showing you the box which comes with the free motorhome here. So, okay, for €1 you can get 2 kilowatts of power at 16 amperes and 80 litres of water, and there's your equipment. I think that looks particularly nice. So here, 2 electrical points. I think you can actually get 4 people here to stay at this stellplatz. I'm by myself now, and there's 2 lots of water there as well. So the price is quite reasonable to start off with. So I thought I'd show you that. It's a very nice new box at the same time. So this here, I've had to move it slightly over to get the thing open, but I think you get 2 vehicles up there, and you get another one to my left. In my opinion, I might be wrong on that one. And this here is a small village. I think it's about 2,000 people, if that, living here and in the outlying settlements around it. This is to the north of Pforzheim in Baden-Württemberg, so it's in southwestern Germany. And so we have this car park here. This must be the centre of Neulingen, the crossroads. So there's my van, get an overall view. We've got a hotel here. Now I noticed on Park for Night that somebody was complaining at the hotel being closed. And I think it was open last night, I don't know. But there are 2 hotels in this small village. And I'll walk across the road a little bit quicker. And it's got a very nice countryside around it. And so last night I had a thorough walk around. I came here only because of friends who live near here. Otherwise I probably wouldn't have ended up here at all, and I'd have missed this. Now what we've got here, I think this street, which you're going to turn down now, this street absolutely cries out that it's in the south of Germany. Sorry. It's got wonderful housing, which to my eye look as though it's from the 17th century. And I'll cross the road and we'll have a look at that. There's lots of motorhomes on the road. It's now the 11th of September 2021. The events of 20 years ago today are absolutely clear, I think, in everybody's mind that remembers it. So we have these old houses, and can't see the date. 17th century, I think, might be 18th century, hard for me to tell. But absolutely wonderful look to them. Obviously they've got new roofs on them, but oh, there's one that's got 1886. No, it doesn't look like 18. I thought it'd been older than that. And this one has the date of 1783. Okay, 18th and 19th century. But really curious where the houses are laid out. And as far as I'm concerned, this is part of a trip which I'm doing, started at Düsseldorf. I followed the Rhine down, so I was at Remagen, Zinzig, then there was a place called Bingen am Rhein, and from Bingen I came here to near Pforzheim, and from here I'm continuing on a route which is designed to take in Dettingen at the southern parts of Baden-Württemberg, a little bit of Bavaria, then we'll make our way up to northern Bavaria to Bad Kissingen, and that's going to take place over the next 5.5 weeks. And after Bad Kissingen, until the end of October, stay in Bavaria. There I'm heading eastwards towards Poland. So that's my plan. But this is a Saturday morning, and but so it's a bit of life. But I've got to say how quiet it was here. This was a really quiet night, and I even said to my friends who live here, I said, what about sort of young people going to the stellplatz or the parking next to it and making a noise? And they said, oh, don't worry about that, everybody's old here. Although, to be quite honest, it doesn't appear that way as I walk around right now. There you go. So you've seen a little bit of this village, and just the north of Pforzheim, and with wonderful countryside around. So thanks for watching, and all the best from Germany.